severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Giles County in Middle Tennessee, until 11:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:04 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Pleasant, Oregon, 10 miles southwest of Columbia, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbia, Mount Pleasant, Eastridge, Lineville, and Culleoka. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.